And since 2008, there have been multiple versions which have emerged about what really transpired on the very day of the Butler House encounter. Now, be it the NHRC's clean chit to the corpse or the Delhi Police's version about the incident, the case has been mired in controversy ever since. And here's a report on the claims and the counterclaims over the last 5 years.
What exactly transpired on the morning of 19 September 2008? There are two distinct versions that have emerged in the case, following the clean chit to the Delhi corpse by the NHRC. The prosecution's main argument has been that Shahzad, the lone accused facing trial, was present at flat number 108 in L18 at Butler House. But the defence has vehemently contested that line.
That it was Atif and Sajid, the two boys who had been killed in the Butler House encounter, who had fired upon Inspector Sharma. But slowly the story changed, and we had this new, suspect in the form of Shahzad. But even then, at that point, we had looked at the NHRC inquiry report, we had looked at media reports, and we came to the conclusion that the police story was entirely false.
But despite the counterclaims, the prosecution insists that there is sufficient circumstantial evidence and phone records to prove that accused Shahzad was present in the apartment.
I've seen all the reports because NHRC, Delhi High Court, they have all given totally clean chit to Delhi Police, and it was fully justified because one of our very ace investigator was also killed, Mohan Chand Sharma. So there was no doubt.
But the fact that none of the witnesses in the case have given any description of the occupants of the flat in which the alleged shootout took place, there are questions over the Delhi Police version.
There are problems with this police prosecution version, and time to time we have been bringing out those loopholes in the prosecution, which in this Shahzad case also the defense lawyer has argued on lines very similar to which we have initially put up when Shahzad was arrested in 2010.
Two alleged terrorists gunned down. An officer lost his life. Will today's verdict finally put an end to all speculation? Bureau Report, Times Now.